Good afternoon, children. Today let me learn about ideal and non-ideal solution. First, let me learn ideal solution. An ideal solution is a solution in which each component, that means the solute as well as the solvent, obey Rowlett's law. Okay, so ideal solution is a solution. How to form the solution? Solute plus solvent gives solution. So that solution containing two components, that is solute and solvent. That solute and solvent obeys Rowlett's law. If the concentration of two components present in the solution A and B, that A and B compounds are identical size, same size and structure, that A and B components having almost a similar intermolecular attractive force between A bond A and B bond B or B bond A, then the solution tends to behave like an ideal solution. For an ideal solution, there is no change in volume on mixing of two components. For an ideal solution, there is no change in volume. Volume represents V. Del V means change in volume. Del V equal to 0. So there is no change in the volume of mixing of two components. For an ideal solution, there is no exchange of heat. No exchange of heat. Okay, when the solid dissolved in a solvent. So H represent heat or enthalpy. Del H means change in enthalpy. So del H equal to 0. Here no exchange of heat. That means heat not liberated, heat not absorbed. Exothermic and endothermic. Next, for an ideal solution, escaping tendency of the solute and the solvent present in it should be same as in pure liquids. Escaping tendency of the solute and solvent. Escaping tendency means it converted into vapor. That solution should be pure liquids. Okay, example of ideal solution: benzene, toluene, N-hexane, N-heptane, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide, chlorobenzene and bromobenzene are the examples of ideal solution. Next, let me learn about non-ideal solution. Ideal solution means it obey Rowlett's law. Non-ideal solution means it does not obey Rowlett's law. The solution which do not obey Rowlett's law over the entire range of concentration are called non-ideal solution. Here non-ideal solution, that solution which do not obey Rowlett's law. For a non-ideal solution, there is change in the volume, enthalpy upon mixing. Okay, before ideal solution never change the volume, never change exchange of heat, but non-ideal solution volume is not equal to 0. Then del H means heat. Heat also it is not equal to 0. For a non-ideal solution, there is change in the volume and enthalpy upon mixing. Volume will be changed. The deviation of the non-ideal solution from the Rowlett's law can either be positive or negative. Non-ideal solution, according to the Rowlett's law, the deviation of the ideal solution from the Rowlett's law can either be positive, that values may be positive or negative. Next one, non-ideal solution, positive deviation from Rowlett's law. The nature of deviation from the Rowlett's law can be explained in terms of intermolecular interaction between solute and solvent. Consider case in which the intermolecular attractive force between A and B. Okay, we are taking that two component A and B. A and B weaker than those between the molecules of A form the compound is A bond A and A2, that means A bond A, that atoms are connected together by intermolecular force of attraction, and B component B bond B. The molecule present in such a solution have greater tendency to escape from the solution when compared to the ideal solution formed by A and B, in which the intermolecular attractive forces are almost similar. For the components A and B, we have a greater tendency to escape from the solution. So that A and B have the intermolecular attractive forces are almost similar. So the vapor pressure of such non-ideal solution increase. It is greater than the sum of vapor pressure of A and B. So see that equation. PA greater than P0 A XA and PB greater than P0 B XB. So here the vapor pressure of such non-ideal solution increase and is greater than the sum of the vapor pressure of A and B predicted by Raoult's law. Let us understand the positive deviation by considering the solution of ethyl alcohol and water. Example for positive deviation: the solution of ethyl alcohol and water. In this solution, the hydrogen bonding interaction between ethanol and water is weaker than those hydrogen bonding interaction amongst themselves. This results in the increased evaporation of both components from the aqueous solution of ethanol. Okay, so for the positive deviation, example is ethanol and water. Hydrogen bonding interaction between ethanol and water. Ethyl alcohol bond ethyl alcohol. Water means water bond water. So ethyl alcohol bind together by intermolecular attractive force. Okay, so this result in the increased evaporation of both the components from the aqueous solution of ethanol. Consequently, the vapor pressure of the solution is greater than the vapor pressure predicted by Raoult's law. Here the mixing is endothermic, delta H greater than 0, and there will be a slight increase in volume. So for positive non-ideal solution, positive deviation from Raoult's law, taking two components A and B, that atom A and B molecules combined by intermolecular attractive force. So vapor pressure of such non-ideal solution increase. It's greater than the sum of vapor pressure of A and B predicted by Raoult's law. So PA greater than P0 A XA and PB greater than P0 B XB. Hence P total equal greater than PA0 XA plus PB0 XB. Positive deviation by considering the solution of ethyl alcohol and water. Example of positive deviation: ethyl alcohol and water. In a solution, hydrogen bonding interaction between ethanol and water is weaker than those of hydrogen bonding. So that ethanol having hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bond interaction between ethanol and water is weaker than those hydrogen bond interaction among themselves. So this result in the increased evaporation, that is vaporization is increased of both component from the aqueous solution of ethanol. So the vapor pressure of the solution is greater than the vapor pressure predicted by Raoult's law. So here heat and volume is changed. So del H greater than 0, that is endothermic reaction, absorption of heat. Volume also slight increased. So del V greater than 0. Then examples for non-ideal solution. Ethyl alcohol and cyclohexane, solute and solvent, benzene and acetone, carbon tetrachloride and chloroform, acetone and ethyl alcohol and water. These are the examples for positive deviation. Here see the graph, vapor pressure versus mole fraction. Non-ideal solution, negative deviation from Raoult's law. Let us consider a case where the attractive force between solute and solvent are stronger than intermolecular force between the individual components. Individual components are binding together by intermolecular attractive force. Here the escaping tendency of A and B will be lower when compared with an ideal solution formed by A and B. Okay, so here escaping tendency and B will be lower, very less, compared to an ideal solution of A and B. Hence the vapor pressure of such a solution will be lower than the sum of vapor pressure of A and B. This type of deviation is called negative deviation, PA less than P naught A XA. Okay, so negative deviation means vapor pressure of such a solution will be lower than the sum of vapor pressure of A and B. This type of deviation is called negative deviation. Example for negative deviation, phenol and aniline. Example for positive deviation, ethyl alcohol and water. Okay, so let us consider a solution of phenol and aniline. Both phenol and aniline form hydrogen bond interaction amongst themselves. Phenol formula C6H5OH, it will form hydrogen bond. Aniline C6H5NH2, aniline also will form. Aniline also contain intermolecular force of attractions. However, when mixed with aniline, the phenol molecule forms hydrogen bonding interaction with aniline. So, we are mixed aniline and phenol. Hydrogen bond interaction with aniline, which is stronger than the hydrogen bond formed among themselves. That means phenol. Formation of new hydrogen bond considerably reduce the escaping tendency of phenol and aniline from the solutions. As a result, the vapor pressure of the solution is less. So, slight decrease in volume, del V less than 0 on mixing. During this process, evaluation of heat take place. So there also little variation is there. So del H less than 0, exothermic reactions. Examples for non-ideal solution showing negative deviation, acetone and chloroform. Then chloroform and diethyl ether, acetone and aniline, chloroform and benzene. These are the examples for non-ideal solution of negative deviation. Next, let me learn about factor responsible for the deviation from Rowlett's law. The deviation of a solution from an ideal behavior is attributed to following factors. What are the factors responsible for deviation of Rowlett's law? Solute-solvent interaction, dissociation of solid, association of solid, temperature, pressure, concentration. These are the factors responsible for the deviation from Raoult's law. So the first one is solute-solvent interaction. For an ideal solution, the interaction between the solvent molecule and the solute molecule. Between the solvent and solute molecule are expected to be similar. In this interaction is dissimilar, then there will be a deviation from ideal behavior. Okay, so ideal solution increase between the solvent molecules. So for example, solvent molecule is A, solute molecule is B. That means component A and B. So that interaction between the solvent molecule A bond A and the solute molecule B bond B. Then interaction between the solvent and solute molecule is A bond B are expected similar. These components are similar. In these interactions are dissimilar, then there will be deviation from ideal behavior. So the next point is dissociation of solute. That means decomposition of solute. When a solute present in a solution dissociate to give constituent ions. Here solution dissociate to give ions, constituent ions. The resultant ions interact strongly with the solvent and cause deviation from Raoult's law. For example, potassium chloride in water. Potassium chloride in water deviates from ideal behavior because the solute dissociate to give K plus and Cl minus, in which form strong ion dipole interaction with the water molecule. It will form ion dipole interaction with water molecule. Next one, association of solute. Association of solute molecule can also cause deviation from ideal behavior. For example, in a solution of acetic acid exists as a dimer. That means two structure acetic acid. Here this is one acetic acid, another one acetic acid. Acetic acid is a dimer because it has two structure. It forming intermolecular hydrogen bond and hence deviates from Raoult's law. So it form intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond means hydrogen force attraction between hydrogen and oxygen, positive and negative ions, that is intermolecular attractive force. Next one, temperature. An increase in temperature of the solution increase the average kinetic energy. Temperature increased, the kinetic energy also increased, which cause decrease in attractive force between them. So it cause decrease in force of attraction. As a result, the solution deviates from ideal behavior. So as a result, the solution is deviated from ideal behavior. Next, pressure. At a high pressure of molecule tend to stay close to each other, and therefore there will be an increase in their intermolecular attraction. Pressure increased, the intermolecular attraction also increased. Thus a solution deviates from Rowlett's law at high pressure. So the last point is concentration. If the solution is sufficiently dilute, there is no pronounced solvent-solute interaction because the number of solute molecules are very low compared to the solvent. Okay, if the solution is dilute, there is no pronounced solvent-solute interaction because the number of solute molecules are very low compared to the solvent. When the concentration is increased by adding solute, the solvent-solute interaction become significant. This causes deviation from the Rowlett's law.